A compact, travel-friendly device for quick prints anywhere. In today's video, we've picked the top 5 best small portable printer that offer crisp documents and vibrant photos on the go. Lightweight, efficient, and easy to use, it's perfect for business trips, vacations, or tight workspaces. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Liene M100 Photo Printer. The Liene M100 Photo Printer is a thoughtfully designed, user-friendly portable photo printer perfect for iPhone, Android, and PC users. It comes as a complete photo printing package, including a cartridge, 20 sheets of photo paper placed inside the printer's packaging, and an extra box containing 80 additional sheets with 2 more cartridges. The Liene printer's minimalist, magnetic design makes it compact and easy to store, fitting well into small spaces without hassle. What truly sets this model apart is its superior photo quality thanks to advanced thermal dye sublimation technology. This ensures that dyes deeply penetrate the paper, producing vibrant, sharp images with a laminated surface resistant to water, scratches, fingerprints, and fading. It's ideal for printing out memorable moments with friends and family, preserving cherished photos in lasting quality. The built-in Wi-Fi hotspot feature is another standout, providing a reliable, interference-free connection for printing photos directly from your smartphone without needing an external network. This makes it particularly handy for outdoor events, parties, or travel. Simple to use and quick to set up, the Liene M100 offers an exceptional combination of convenience and quality. It's a fantastic option for anyone looking to create instant, professional-looking 4x6 photo prints wherever they go. Number 2. HP OfficeJet 250 Printer. The HP OfficeJet 250 printer is a powerful, versatile portable printing solution designed for professionals on the move. This compact all-in-one device offers printing, scanning, and copying capabilities, making it an excellent companion for business travelers, students, and remote workers. One of its best features is the wireless, network-free printing option via laptop, tablet, or smartphone, ensuring productivity even in areas without internet access. The inclusion of an internal battery, valued at approximately $119, extends usability by allowing printing virtually anywhere, while HP's fast charge technology fully recharges it within 90 minutes when the device is off. The HP Smart app enhances convenience by offering simple, direct mobile printing and scanning paired with the Auto Wireless Connect feature for effortless setup. Compatible with a broad range of paper sizes including letter, legal, statement, and various photo and card dimensions, this portable printer handles diverse tasks with ease. It uses HP's 62 series cartridges known for delivering the highest in-class page yields, reducing the frequency of replacements. Compact enough to fit into a backpack or briefcase, this printer remains a reliable tool for anyone leading high-quality prints away from a traditional office setup, combining practical features with dependable HP performance. Number 3. Gloryang Printer for Travel. The Gloryang Printer for Travel is a compact, inkless mobile printer designed for maximum portability and cost-efficient printing. Unlike traditional models, this device uses advanced thermal printing technology, which eliminates the need for ink, toner, or ribbons. Instead, it requires special thermal paper, and the package conveniently includes 3 rolls along with a carrying case, charging table, and instruction manual. Measuring just 1.7 inches by 10.4 inches by 2.9 inches and weighing at 1.75 pounds, the Gloryang printer easily fits into a backpack or briefcase, making it perfect for business travelers, students, and professionals on the go. Its seamless Bluetooth connectivity supports both iOS and Android devices, while USB cable ensures compatibility with laptops and computers. Downloading the Jaden's Printer app allows for quick smartphone printing, while PC users can install a dedicated driver. Delivering a 203 dpi resolution, this printer offers clean, clear text and image outputs suitable for contracts, receipts, and office documents. Equipped with dual 2600 mAh batteries, it supports up to 3 hours of continuous printing and up to 360 sheets on a single charge.
Number 4. TapMuse A4 Siz Printer. The TapMuse A4 Siz Printer is a lightweight, wireless thermal printer tailored for on-the-go professionals and students. Equipped with a built-in 2600 mAh rechargeable battery, this inkless printer can produce up to 160 sheets of US letter-sized thermal paper per charge. Weighing just 1.5 pounds, its slim, compact design allows it to effortlessly fit into a backpack, briefcase, or travel bag, making it ideal for use in vehicles, offices, construction sites, classrooms, and homes. The printer uses advanced thermal printing technology, which requires no ink, toner, or ribbons, reducing operating costs and eliminating maintenance issues like ink clogs. It supports multiple thermal paper sizes, including 8.5 by 11 inches, though it supports only black and white output. Designed with mobile workers in mind, this portable printer is an outstanding tool for mobile notaries, truck drivers, teachers, business travelers, and students, offering dependable, high-quality printing wherever it's needed. Number 5. Canon Pixma TR160 Printer. The Canon Pixma TR160 printer is a lightweight, highly portable solution for anyone needing quality printing on the move. Compact enough to fit in a backpack or small bag, this printer stands out with its ability to produce documents and photos up to 8.5 by 11 inches in size. Its 5-color hybrid ink system ensures sharp black text and rich vibrant colors, making a solid choice for both work documents and photo prints. One of its best features is the wide range of wireless connectivity options. The Canon Print app, Apple AirPrint, and Mopri and Print service enable seamless printing from smartphones, tablets, or cloud services, while Wireless Direct mode allows devices to connect directly without needing a router or cherished photos. The Canon Pixma TR160 consistently delivers reliable performance in a sleek, travel-friendly package.